Good morning YouTube, welcome to another video. Today we've got the Mossy folding saw. Couple of leaflets. We've got instructions here on how to change the blade and how to open it. Get a little clasp here to go on your belt, a little belt holder. Nice little case, quite sturdy, quite a well made case. A sheath holder, whatever you call it. Quite a hard handle. It has a locking mechanism, so you can't open it without releasing the locking mechanism here. And it locks into place. Quite a rugged saw blade on it. Large heavy teeth. No, this only has one locking position. I've seen other ones that have got like another locking position further back, but this only has one locking position, which to be fair is all you need for a good motion here. I've got two other blades here, one for plastic, which I assume is this one, and one for metal, which yep, this one's for metal. The sheath is really well made, quite durable, and I like the fact that these extra blades just slot straight in. No issues at all with the extra blades fitting in there. It goes better that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up outside. I'm going to get a bit of wood from my log burning wood, and I'm going to see how well it cuts. Back in a moment. Well, as you can see, we've moved outside. Here I have a large block of wood. Let me just move you over a bit closer so you can see this. Got this wood from my log fire pile. So take this and we'll see how well this blade actually cuts. Now I'm not particular on going right through, but we'll see how well it goes. As you can see, look, the locking mechanism forced itself open there for some. I think maybe this is hit the locking mechanism and forced it to open. Maybe in here, as I've come down, it's come in and hit. So that's not a problem with the blade or the saw itself. That was a problem with the wood pinging up. Nice, even level little cuts right through there. Did take a little minute to go through it. You can probably see I slipped and caught my hand a little bit. I didn't catch that on video, or I would let you see, but nothing too dramatic. Yeah, overall a nice little blade. I'm sure it'll come in handy out in the wilderness. I will do a little review of some of this stuff that I'm using, that I've been reviewing. I will do a outdoors review on them, a camping review, when the next time I go out. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, very much appreciated. Leave a like and a thumbs up, and as per, any suggestions on what you'd like me to review next, give me a wee shout. Nice, even level little cuts right through there. Did take a little minute to go through it. You can probably see I slipped and caught my hand a little bit. I didn't catch that on video, or I would let you see, but nothing too dramatic. Yeah, overall a nice little blade. I'm sure it'll come in handy out in the wilderness. I will do a little review of some of this stuff that I'm using, that I've been reviewing. I will do a outdoors review on them, a camping review, when the next time I go out. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, very much appreciated. Leave a like and a thumbs up, and as per, any suggestions on what you'd like me to review next, give me a wee shout.